Okay guys, the station wagon is over there in the woods and we're going to be going to it pretty quick. So I'll catch you guys there. Okay guys, so here's the station wagon. It's a Plymouth Valient, we're pretty sure, I think. Like a 1960 to I think 1962, I think. That's the years on it. And it's definitely a lot. Yeah, there's an engine in it. This wood was not there. Oh yeah, this wood was here before. Yeah, last year this wood was here. Just a lot more grown up than what it was last year. Still a bumper on it yet. Wow, the bumper is still on it. Still has chrome, that's crazy.
It's built in the door.
Yeah, it's in the dirt, yeah. Yeah. The roof, really, I'm surprised. It's kind of, has a bunch of bullet holes. But Dad, look at this back here. Dad, here's the seat thingy.
Yeah.
Oh, Isaac, you're in it?
Yeah, I'm actually in it. I can fit it. It's tall enough.
Oh, is that that's part of the vinyl stuff? Yeah. Or is there anything we can rescue from this thing? What if a tailgate, does the tailgate move? Here, Isaac, let's try that, buddy.
What?
Here, I'm gonna show. Oh, the tailgate does move. Oh, wow. Oh, Dad, look at the tailgate. Oh my gosh, it's sagging so much though.
Wow, I think I...
Wow.
There you go, Sam.
What?
Take a piece of the helm.
What is it?
I ripped this part off for you.
What is that?
Turn signal?
Really? That might be worth money. Okay. Ooh, what's this fancy thingy? That's the head. This is the tailgate mechanism. It broke back here.
Is that the heel? It's not the heel thing.
The heater thingy?
Yeah.
Here, Dad, where did you throw that turn signal thingy at? You threw it over here. Where did it go? Oh, I think I see it now.
Oh
Let's see this.
God, through the windows there, look.
No, there's probably no windows. This one doesn't have it has the window mechanism in it yet.
That's the window thingy.
Too bad the door handles aren't there. Something.
Sammy still has the handles.
Oh, it does have a door handle, Dad.
Yeah, it still has that thing.
Whenever we can.
What's the other door goes?
Huh. Yeah, there's no steering wheel. And I'm pretty sure this thing has the push button transmission, Dad. Yeah. Isaac, whoa. Oh, there's another seat.
Guys,
oh, wow. There's where the radio used to be. Yeah, I don't know if this is a theft car or what this was.
That wouldn't everything go from this thing.
I don't know if they used it on like a farm vehicle or what. You ever look at the river? Okay. Yeah, guys, this is on my grandpa's property. Ooh. Is there a windshield wiper motor still in it yet? I guess there is. Yeah, this thing's been back here for probably 50 years, guys.
Ow.
You okay, buddy? This thing's probably been back there. This thing's probably been back here like 50 years. And my grandpa discovered it when he bought this property. Oh, wow. That's insane. What is that, clutch master? It's probably automatic transmission. That's probably, yeah, brake master. Yep, there's no clutch. Probably brake master cylinder there. Brake cable, I think wait. That's a brake cable. Oh, wow, that's the clutch. The clutch pedal's still there, guys. Just the clutch cable, I guess. So how do I get back here? So much crap over here. Oh my gosh. Should have brought wrenches with me. Some wrench. Oh, there's a sinkhole. Wow, that's insane. Wow, valve cover's completely destroyed. Is that dirt or is that just... Water pump's locked up. Might be turning a tad bit, but... Yeah, engine's junk. There's literally mud sitting in there. Holy crap. This is so much fun to take apart though. Here's all the ports there. Okay, here's the engine number. 2121474-4. This over here, something random. Oh, that's, if it's aluminum, I don't think it is. Looks like cast iron to me. But a steering box, nice. That steering box thing, I guess it might be worth some money. Let us know if we should save this hunk of junk. Fine. It probably ain't worth nothing, but it's been here for a long time beside the river. The headlights around doesn't look too bad. Is there any horns or anything? No. This color would be really cool. Oh wow. Hose is still in there yet. Oh wow, it still has the coil on it, Dad. It still has the coil. Oh my gosh, Dad, you should see that. And the water pump that's locked up. And in this hose, there's just mud sitting in this water hose. It's just insane. Yeah, they must have cut down those trees. I wonder if there's any other junk around here, huh? There's a coil in here yet. There's a fuel pump, but the fuel pump's junk. Distributor. Oh my, all those spark plugs are in here yet too. Yeah, that's insane. Yeah, engine's locked up for sure, but I wonder if that coil's any good. Where's that coil in? Ooh, what's this? Oh, what is that? I thought it was an intake manifold, but no. It's like something was driven off of it. This engine's down in the groove. Huh. Some kind of poop. Something pooped. Here. Anything else I can grab? Pretty big block of wood. Oh crap. Huh. There's a suspension there. There's your suspension. Yeah, they grabbed my grandpa way back when. He grabbed a old Coca-Cola machine back here. That was rusted out the bottom, but my dad's cousin painted it all up and stuff and made it look really nice, I guess. And my grandpa also dragged out a Jeep seat, like from an old Jeep, the seat off that thing. And yeah, it's pretty cold out here. It's like 30-some degrees. Oh wow, look at that. Oh, nice. Oh, wait, what's this cup? I wonder how old that is. Yes, guys, this is our property. We're not trespassing. Oh, it's my grandpa's property. We're not trespassing or anything, so we're fine to be back here. This thing, it's crazy much paint still left on here. Just insane. So that door skin's gone. I really like to save this seat. This trim piece right here. Oh, that's the bench sheet that folds up, I think. Oh, it still has the springs on it yet? Oh, that has to be worth something, I bet. I brought my shovel. I can dig it out for you guys. I'd just like to see some of these have valve covers. You guys saw a valve cover smashed. And I also brought my gloves because I'm smart and not going. So literally a plant growing in here. I bet there's no floor. Is this thing worth anything? Oh, it does work. A little bit. I don't know if it's an electric window or not. Cause somebody's had electric rear windows. I've heard. What's that? Door thingy? I'll take it. Let me see if I can't save that rear seat. Let's see if I can save this thing. Nope. Sorry guys for the horrible quality there. I was just trying to move that. Oh. Yeah, see that right there? It's starting to get dark out here. The quality of the camera video isn't going to be that great, but oh well. There's the suspension. Oh wow, that's the rim back there, I think. Huh. Oh. See if we can dig around anymore. So that's the. See here, where do I want to go here? This way. I wonder if the rear axle on this thing yet, or whatever happened to that. Oh wow. Looks like no rear axle. Probably took that as a farm vehicle or something. Must have had really good gears on it. Yeah, Dad, the front bench seat, Dad, still has springs on it yet.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I wonder if those are worth anything. Dude, Dad, look at this rear bumper though. Yeah. This rear bumper is like still like look at that. Look at that chrome yet. It goes under here, and then it goes in there, it's still beat up. But look at that chrome. Isn't that crazy? Wow. It still has chrome on it. Oh.
Hey guys,
yeah, that moves. I moved that. See, the hinges on that side broke off. Just ripped off.
Hey guys, I think
that flap's kind of cool.
Hey guys, what's this?
That's the mechanism, I think. What's what? Oh, that's some kind of trim piece in there. But this seat is pretty cool. This is the seat right here. I was trying to get it to move, maybe. But...
Hey, Dad, I take it.
Oh, wow, it's so cool. Oh, is it like a tree?
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
This part off.
Oh, you got that trim piece? That's right. I don't know. It's buried under dirt over here. Let's see if I can close it. Here?
This
Oh, that's not trim. That's just paint.
Something.
Yeah, that's what I'm wondering. Too bad there aren't any like lenses or anything on the thing. Let's see if we can find the. It has no rear axle in this thing. I don't think. The tires were the tire right there, below there.
Yeah.
They probably say there's a tire over there. See the master cylinder?
Yeah.
And there's the clutch. I found the clutch pedal still in there yet.
Oh wow.
That's the clutch brake line. So this thing is a pretty cool car. That's the big 6-cylinder. I think it's a 225 cubic inch.
Was it sick?
Yeah, I think so. Looks like it.
You get the things undone in there?
Huh?
The metal grate?
Yeah, it's rusted out there totally.
So I
Look kinda
think
cool,
I
though.
just found it.
Oh my gosh, it is fell off. Yeah, look at the bullet holes at the top.
Let's take this one.
Like that one. This paint is just too cool, Dad. Yeah. Oh yep, there's a suspension down there. Isaac, see the suspension down here, bud? You can see the
Back into the
here, poop. Oh. The steering box is still on here yet. Oh, no starter. That's where the starter's supposed to go. Either they parted this thing out or they just didn't like it. Or who knows. Yeah, the steering box is still in here yet too.
Like Lori
Yeah, this is just full of mud right here, Dad.
found the tile.
Yeah, I found the tire. Man, I love this color. This color is just so cool.
Wow, it's wow.
Okay, like a
Like
green
the
metallic
rust
kind of
color.
Yeah, it's so cool.
Like the rust color. That's cool.
Not the rust, I like the green color. That headlight housing over there, that doesn't look too bad. That right,
Where?
the side, the passenger side.
Yeah.
I was surprised how good, how decent it looks yet. Everything else
cool.
is destroyed.
Yeah.
Oh, the old wire. Oh, look at that, old wire. Huh.
Wow.
This thing must have gotten a wreck or something.
Yeah.
I was looking at valve
What
cover.
happened?
The old spark plugs are in it
They
yet
probably
too.
drove and then they probably left and then it's just been sitting out here.
I think it's like a farm vehicle type thing, Isaac, maybe.
Yeah, and then they just sat right here and
So Jim
then.
doesn't know much about it?
Well, it's not his car, Uncle Jim's.
No, I'm saying though, he doesn't know. Or
No, I don't think he's ever heard of this car.
Grandpa's
Grandpa.
always seen it back here?
Yeah, Grandpa saw it back
I
here.
wonder how
Yeah.
bad a shape it was when he bought
I think
it.
it was about the shape. I think it was about the same as this.
No way. I bet it was a lot better shape.
Well, better shape, yeah, but I'm saying all the parts are probably off it, though.
I bet in 76 though, I bet it was pretty nice.
Yeah, 1976, yeah, because I'll be...
It's old as
This...
me. 45 years.
Yeah, because this car was... So made in the 60s. So yeah, this thing probably wasn't as rusted out as
Guys,
this.
my mom probably kept going back.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, yep. That rear seat is just really cool. Okay, well, I'll probably end this video, guys. And, yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and stay updated on the videos of the Opel GT. Because we got glass packs in that thing. And on the MX100. And on all the other projects that we're working on.
VR4.
Yeah, and the VR4, the clutch went out on it, so
Hopefully
that's
they'll be
fun.
back tomorrow.
Really? Tomorrow?
We'll see.
That'd be cool. So yeah, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.